easier ones. And the recipe is in the description. Click subscribe. For the first part of the recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of warm water, 2 teaspoons of yeast, 1 pinch of sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So let's get cooking. First, you're going to need 1 cup of warm water and to pour it into a small mixing bowl. Then you're going to need 2 teaspoons of yeast. One pinch of sugar, and 1/4 cup of honey. And then put it aside. In a separate mixing bowl, you're going to want to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then you're going to want to add your yeast mixture into the mixing bowl. So now we're going to knead it with a dough hook for 6 minutes. After kneading the dough for 6 minutes, you're going to want to cover it with plastic wrap, and then you're going to want to wait 1 hour and 30 minutes, and after 45 minutes, you're going to want to punch it down. Let it rise for 45 more minutes. The dough has risen for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and we're going to place it on a lightly oiled surface. And then we chose to cut it into 10 pieces because we like small pretzels. And please excuse the dishwasher. You're going to want to boil 6 cups of water and preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Then you're going to want to roll your dough into long ropes, and you're going to want to keep turning it over, and as you can see, it gets fatter. The more you roll it out on one side, it gets fatter. And then you're going to want to pinch it by the end, and don't pinch it too hard or it will break, and then you roll it out. After rolling out all your dough, you're going to shape them into pretzels. So first you're going to want to make a smiley face, just like she did. And then you're going to want to pull them to the opposite side. Make sure the tails are the same length. And then you're going to do the rest of them. You need to add 3 tablespoons of baking soda into your boiling water. You have to boil your pretzels, so here we go. we're going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl, and then we're going to whisk it to make egg wash. Now you're going to brush all your pretzels with egg wash. Now you're going to season your pretzels with your favorite seasoning. So we're going to use salt and everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. Go buy it, not sponsored. Now you're going to bake your pretzels for 11 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 11 minutes.
11 minutes, starting now.
Time's up. Alexa, stop.
Thanks for watching. Bye.